AccuLynx is built specifically for roofing contractors managing sales, production, and job tracking, while Procore is built for large construction projects that involve multiple teams, subcontractors, and complex project management. By the end of this, you'll know how AccuLynx and Procore compare in real construction workflows, where each one fits best, and which platform makes sense depending on whether you run a roofing business or large-scale construction projects. AccuLynx focuses on roofing operations from lead to completion. It covers estimating, job management, production tracking, and invoicing in a way that matches how roofing companies actually sell and install projects. Procore focuses on enterprise-level construction management. It is designed for general contractors managing large projects with multiple phases, strict documentation, and coordination across many stakeholders. The biggest difference is scale. AccuLynx is built for a single trade, roofing. So the workflow is tightly aligned with how roofing jobs are sold, scheduled and completed without unnecessary complexity. Procore is built for large construction environments where multiple teams, subcontractors, and project owners all need visibility into the same job. That makes it powerful, but also more complex to manage. In daily use, AccuLynx feels more focused. Roofing teams can move from lead to estimate to production tracking, without adapting the system to fit different types of construction workflows. Procore feels more like a full construction control system. It organizes projects around documents, budgets, schedules, and communication across large teams rather than focusing on one specific trade. On job management, AccuLynx is centered around roofing production stages like inspections, measurements, material ordering, and installation tracking. Everything is structured around completing roofing jobs efficiently. Procore organizes work at a higher level. It tracks entire construction projects across multiple trades and phases, making it better for coordination than for trade-specific execution. For roofing companies, AccuLynx is usually more efficient because it removes unrelated construction complexity and focuses directly on roofing workflows. For general contractors or large construction firms, Procore is often the stronger option because it supports large-scale project coordination, documentation control, and multi-team collaboration. The core difference is specialization versus enterprise scale. AccuLynx is optimized for roofing contractors who want a system built specifically for their trade. Procore is optimized for managing complex construction projects across many teams and disciplines. To choose between them, look at your business structure. If your company primarily sells and installs roofing systems, a roofing-focused platform like AccuLynx usually fits better. If you manage multiple trades, subcontractors, and large commercial projects, Procore is built for that level of complexity. A simple next step is to identify how many different trades and teams you coordinate on a typical project. If it's mostly roofing crews, AccuLynx is enough. If it involves multiple specialized teams working under one project, Procore is the better match. If this comparison helped, like the video and subscribe for more clear breakdowns of construction and field service software.